Hello, everyone. I hope you had a wonderful day trading, stock trading, swing trading today. One of the stock, my favorite stock. I'm going to talk about skills. Um, this company had some action today, and I want to quickly say that 19 hours ago, I put a video out talking about skills that get ready, right? It's an uptrend or downtrend, right? An uptrend. And if you go look at this video, when I attach it at the end of this video to see that where were the key points that I talk about, if it breaks, if it's going to hold, and where's the support level is, and what is the resistance level for skills is, right? So let's talk about how the stock did and where what are we looking for the next breakout for the uptrend or downtrend. But I have something news that I'm going to break out what I personally think is about the stock, what's going heading for this week. Just not a final advisor, just to let you guys know, just my fundamentals and technical analysis on the chart, especially on skills. So thank you for watching, and let's go. Let's deep dive. So the market opened up, and the pre-market, nothing surprising, was sitting at $5, opened up, had a huge uptrend over here, then went up to the 545, and then came back and it set at the 519, right? Our support level, sorry, the resistance level that I wanted to look at it, and it kind of hold up, and they hold up throughout the day, and I was did some couple tradings in and out under the day trades, and but it was holding up pretty good, right? And kind of kept up too. The market closed in all of 540 and then kind of cycled back, sitting at $5.21, right? Like I said, watch the video that is in that I submitted 19 hours ago because this is what I was talking about. Because when we did the video and I had a month chart, right, in 1 month, and we talked about the two key levels, right, where our resistance right, sorry, our support level here and the resistance that I talked about, that $5.19, folks, $5.19, you know, and if it's gonna hold in between the end, what's gonna be, right? It is a bull flag that is creating right here an uptrend of skills. I'm very excited to see that a month from now that we've been seeing it, right? The only concern part is if you look at the MACD, it is kind of close, kind of cooling down, and the volume is not there yet, right? A lot of people who bought in at about 475, kind of, not like I said, not a high volume. They kind of went in up, and at the end of the day, it kind of got sold out on that, right? It did go tested 545, folks. Look at this number, 545 right here, 545 was the high for today, right? And that's our moving average on 1 year chart on a 200-day. Quickly, not even a doubt, right here. See, folks, got rejected right away and kind of traded in between this channel right here, right? I'm gonna look at our 6 months because this is something that I want you to keep an eye on that, right? This is our 6 month chart over here that it kind of came back and started trading. If it holds for next 2 days and trades in between here, right, and it's tested that five on the 1 month chart, it was 545, and the 6 month chart, it is at $5.76. That is a very key level to keep an eye, because if it starts trading on that area, you can clearly see that there's a lot of room right here, which have no doubts to. I'll take it back. I do have doubts, but I will say that I won't be surprised if it breaks the $5.76. So I'm not gonna put another resistance right here, because the support level is still sitting here. It kind of becomes a support level, so which I'm going to change the color into a yellow. And what's the next one we're looking at on this is going to be right here, folks. Then the 600 is $5.75, and I'm going to have one more kind of chart level for us to look at it in horizontal, which is none other than at 545, because that's 545. It is on on a 3 month chart, right? So kind of see that it kind of got tested, it kind of broke out, and hopefully it trains on that. So, but you know what, to not to confuse yourself and confuse myself, I'm gonna have these only two levels, right? See if it's gonna hold that 519 mark and 575. That's where I'm looking at it. And if it breaks through on that, because on the 6 months, it is a lot of movement. I like it here. It is an uptrend. RSI cooled off, right? It cooled off because once it cools off and MACD is still showing an uptrend, I can clearly see this stock kind of go testing and fill in that gap right here, right? Remember, we had the gap up right here, boom, filled up that gap. And now it had the same thing today too. So kind of go back and look at it. We were looking on the year to date on that. Not a whole that I want to confuse yourself, right? Not something everybody's looking at it. They are, a couple people I talked to have hold the stocks at $40, $27. Do I see it going in somewhere around there? I can see a lot of potential on this stock, a lot of movement, but on the year to date, folks, keep an eye on your MACD right here. That's not a gap left. It is squeezing in. Look at RSI. Look at RSI, it's pointing up. So that is an uptrend. A lot of signals are showing a lot of uptrend right now, right? On year to date, if we want to have a massive run, on year to date, it has to break that $10.30, which is sitting at, this is our 200-day EMA, right? But the two key levels that we talked about today, which I'm going to do a recap video on Wednesday. So stay tuned for the Wednesday. Put a notification and subscribe so you don't miss any updated video which comes out. Um, and definitely we're going to talk about if it's going to hold. My prediction is that it's going to hold up in between here, right? And going to come back and test the 519 to the low, and will test $5.61 and to up to $5.75. The reason I put the $5.75 as mentioned, because it was a lot of becomes a lot of support resistance level before it kind of break out in the next level, right? And if and on a 6 month chart, it is a resistance sitting at $5.61. So folks, buckle up, fasten your seat belt, and enjoy the ride, right? Because this is an opportunity and time to make money. Because if you're looking as a day trader, if you're like a swing trader, this is the time that an opportunity comes in, and take advantage of it, right? So that's my 2 cents. I'm not a financial advisor, like I said. Just in my technical analysis, how I see these skills is moving, and I'm excited, and I see a lot of signals pointing towards an uptrend, right? Definitely an uptrend right here. Hey, folks, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys had a wonderful day. I hope you guys have a wonderful week on skills or any other trading stock you looking at it and trading it. I'm always doing Neo and a couple other stocks that it is on my YouTube page that I trade normally. SPY I do a lot too as my on my day trading, on my option trading. If you're interested, just let me know too, which I can guide you. But I'm just sharing my knowledge with you guys, folks. And I'm excited about skills. And what is showing me right now, it is showing me an uptrend. And let's see on Wednesday if I was right or I was wrong. I'm going to call myself wrong. If I'm wrong, absolutely on Wednesday, to see that it did not break 561 and it came all the way to $4.72 to the next level on that, right? Because the next technically becomes a resistance right here at 496. So 496 is something you got to keep an eye right here, that it is going to be a support level over here that's going to be coming down on that, right? So next over here, so another support level that we put it, I changed it already. I'm full confident, not putting as a resistance right here. So our next one is 475, 561 and 575 in this range. So buckle up. Let's see if I was right or wrong. And see you guys on Wednesday. And hope that people make money on skills. Have a good day and have a wonderful week of trading. Thank you.